Hey there, YouTube dreamers. Ever thought, I'd love to make YouTube videos, but the idea of showing my face on camera makes me want to hide under a rock? Well, you're not alone. If you're the kind of person who prefers to let your content shine while you stay comfortably behind the scenes, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into some amazing AI tools that will help you build a successful faceless YouTube channel without you ever having to worry about your hair, makeup, or those awkward camera angles. Think of these tools as your behind-the-scenes crew, except they won't eat all your snacks or borrow your gear. Whether you're a camera-shy introvert or just want to let the tech handle the spotlight, these AI wonders will make your YouTube journey smoother and, dare I say, more fun. Ready to let AI do the heavy lifting? Hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. All right, let's get started with script writing. If you've ever stared at a blank page and thought, I'd rather watch paint dry, then you'll love this part. Meet ChatGPT and Jasper AI, your new script writing BFFs. ChatGPT is like having a chat with your brainy friend who's always bursting with ideas. Just give it a prompt, like, write a 5-minute script on why AI tools are awesome, and watch it whip up a draft faster than you can say, I need coffee. Then there's Jasper AI. Think of Jasper as your personal script doctor. Pick a template that suits your style, toss in your topic, and let Jasper work its magic. It's like having a professional writer on speed dial, minus the awkward small talk. With these tools, you'll never have to worry about writer's block again. Just add your personal flair and hit record. Next up, voiceovers. If you're not into recording your own voice, or simply don't want to subject your audience to your morning voice, AI tools like Murph AI, Descript, and Lovo AI are here to save the day. Murph AI is like having a personal voice actor who never needs a coffee break. Choose a voice that fits your vibe, upload your script, and let Murph handle the rest. It's professional grade without the need for a studio or a wardrobe change. Descript goes a step further. With features like voice cloning, you can create a digital version of your own voice or pick from its range of options. Plus, you can tweak and edit the voiceover like a pro. It's like having a voiceover artist and editor all in one. Lovo AI offers a buffet of voices to choose from. Input your script, select your favorite, and voila! Your video gets a top-notch voiceover that sounds like it came straight from Hollywood. Say goodbye to awkward voice recordings and hello to flawless voiceovers. Now, let's talk video editing. If the thought of piecing together your footage makes you feel like you're assembling IKEA furniture without instructions, fear not. AI tools like Audinta in Video and Pictory will make editing a breeze. And in video is like having a video editing wizard at your command. Pick from thousands of templates, drag and drop your footage, and add in your voiceover. It's so simple, even a sleep-deprived raccoon could do it. Pictory is a bit of a magician itself. Upload your script, and Pictory will generate a video automatically. Customize it with images or clips to fit your vision. It's like having an editor who doesn't complain or ask for extra pay. These tools make video editing so effortless that you'll have more time to binge-watch your favorite shows. Or, create more content. Let's not forget about thumbnails. A good thumbnail is like the flashy cover of a best-selling book. It grabs attention and makes people want to click. Canva and Adobe Express are your go-to tools for crafting these eye-catching visuals. Canva provides an array of templates that make designing thumbnails a piece of cake. Pick a template, customize it with your text and images, and you're done. It's like having a design studio without the expensive coffee. Adobe Express MME is another powerhouse. It uses AI to help you fine-tune your designs effortlessly. Adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to create a thumbnail that screams, "Click me!" without breaking a sweat. With these tools, creating standout thumbnails is as easy as pie. Or, in this case, as easy as clicking a few buttons. And that's a wrap on the top 7 AI tools to help you build a successful faceless YouTube channel. From script writing and voiceovers to editing and thumbnails, these tools will help you create amazing content while keeping you comfortably behind the scenes. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, drop a comment with your thoughts or questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching, Incomevator, and I'll catch you in the next video, Face Unseen.